All right, so this video is for our new EZDC box. We've had a lot of questions from people on exactly what does that thing do. So we figured we'd do a practical demonstration on a three-wheeler we just had lying around here.
Just lying around.
So why do you need the EZDC kit? The new series of LED lights that are out now are way brighter and way better than anything else that has been on the market before. They draw way less amperage. The problem is, to run LED lights, you need a DC power system. This machine does not have that. It's AC power only. It has a grounded AC output stator.
So essentially what you're saying is, any old machine where you rev it up and the headlight gets brighter and you let off the gas as it drops down to idle and the headlight gets dimmer. That's the style we're talking about here. That's what this EZDC box is designed for.
Just a disclaimer, if the machine has a battery, this will not work on that. We have other options. It's not a battery eliminator kit. It's for machines that didn't come with a battery stock that need DC output.
Yeah.
So we had our tech guru Sean wire this thing up. It took him all of about 48 seconds. So
very easy.
Yes, we'll take the cover off and show you exactly what we did and how we installed it on this machine. There's 3 wires on the thing. It's very simple.
So this is clearly a lot brighter than that.
So you got 3 wires coming off this box. You have your red, black, and yellow. Black is obviously ground. Always goes right to ground. Your red wire is your power out. That goes to whatever DC accessory you're running. Your yellow wire is input from the stator. Let's take a look at that. So on this machine, the lighting coil output from the stator is a yellow wire. So we just connected our EZDC box right in line with that, unplugged it from the main harness, and plugged it into the EZDC box. So your 12-volt DC accessory, the negative always goes to your chassis ground, same as with the box, and then your red output wire coming out of the EZDC box goes right to the positive on your accessory. It's that easy.
So that's our EZDC kit. If you have any questions, you can call us about it. Hopefully we answered most of them for you here. Where is it available?
Parts Unlimited.
Parts Unlimited.
Your local Parts Unlimited dealer.
Yeah, $124.95 retail.
Easy peasy, pudding pie.